Well, we have almost arrived in Corciano, and now we are passing through Passignano. In 2019, I lived in Passignano for about a year, and since then I have had a wonderful friend in Italy. In fact, we are going to him now. I will introduce you soon. Little more and we would have reached our destination, but as you can see, we got caught in the rain. It didn't last long and we quickly reached our destination. Meet my Italian friend I told you about some times ago. Her name is Alice and she's a very kind and helpful person. And this is her brother. His name is Simon. And Alice really liked our dog. We checked into a pretty modest apartment, deciding that there was no point spending a lot of money on lodging. Such a view near our house, nature, woods, amazing sunsets. Next is the entrance to the house, and we walk right into the living room. There is a couch and TV, which I will never watch. Then we have a balcony. Of course, I love balconies. The view from the balcony is pretty nice. That's me, glad we finally made it to Italy. Here's the cactus on the floor, and here you can see our bed. Here is the spacious kitchen and again the big window. Go further and you will see another balcony at the back of a house. Next room with the bed. This is me. What else to tell? And this is weird fan. I've only seen this in movies before. It's very powerful. At first I was afraid to see because I thought it might fall and hit me or Anna. Luckily it was wrong. It was just a quick look at the apartment. The apartment is so old, but that's enough for us. This apartment costs 400 euros and we rented for 10 days. It's a new day. With this view, I wake up with perfect. Good morning. And today is very interesting day. Anna will be doing a tattoo for Alice. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that me and my girlfriend Anna are tattoo artists. Someday I'll make a separate video about it and tell you more details. Of course, if you are interested. Alice has her own studio, which is actually how I met her many years ago. She was just a client of mine. And then she opened her own studio. This is the poster which was drawn by my friend Taras, a very talented tattoo artist. Alice wanted to get 2 small tattoos, and both behind the ear. Here is the result. Do you like it? Leave a comment under the video. And so, it is new day, and today I'm going to introduce you some new people. Meet Alice's mom, and yes, I forgot her name, but she's awesome and always positive.
Helen, ce Pavlin.
And meet Vincenzo, or just Vinci.
Say hi.
He's a tattoo artist and works at Alice's studio. We went to the studio to have Anna sketch and future tattoo for him, but after Anna did the sketch, Vinci changed his mind about doing it. I hate it, it is the worst. When a client isn't sure and doesn't know what he wants, never do it. We ended up doing nothing. Because the client is not sure about tattoo, it is better to do nothing and give him time to think or even postpone this idea indefinitely. I really like the design that Anna did.
Hello guys, today is so nice day, you know why? Because
Yesterday Alice asked me if we wanna go with her to the Florence because it's so nice city, so beautiful view, and of course I told her yes, we would like to go. Alice suggested we visit Florence, and of course we agreed. She picked us up at home and we drove toward Florence.
Questo è importante, piano piano. Ciao. Ciao.
We decided to make a quick stop for coffee and something cold. Our dog decided to cool down. By the way, I forgot to tell you that almost everywhere in Italy, coffee is excellent, and in Perugia you only have to pay €1.40 for a cappuccino, which means very cheap coffee. In Germany, good coffee costs 3 or 4 euros.
This could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Let's drive on.
It's Duomo.
We have a problem with parking. It is very difficult to find a parking lot that is open late at night. Italy has a very strange schedule for everything.
Passeggiatina, non so che ora chiudete. È sotto la stazione.
But we found a place to park.
I have bad history with this ticket.
Alice took us around the different streets and told us a lot about Florence, and we watched carefully and just enjoyed.
You know, in Italy there are so many famous artists in the world.
And then we came to one of the most famous buildings in Florence. The Cathedral of Santa Maria de Fiore. This cathedral is made entirely of marble and has the largest brick dome. So, looks nice, I like it. Here I almost got hit by a horse. Oh shit. Alice then took us to a restaurant that was right next to this beautiful cathedral. They brought us a menu. If you are interested, here are the prices. I, of course, ordered the Aperol Spritzes. I love it, and Anna ordered a juice with some alcohol. Cheers. Then they brought us our pasta, carbonara. It can't not be delicious in Italy. It's just impossible. We ate. We liked everything very much, and we paid 65 euros for a wonderful dinner with a view of the cathedral.
Wild pig, you know, in the forest. I don't know, like pork, but selvatic one. I don't know. Okay. You have to put the coin inside the mouth, and leave the hand, coins falling down, and if the coins pass the center, you are lucky in a month and after falling down.
Ah,
If the
okay.
coins-
But
if
a lot of people are here.
Yes, because it is typical. If you go to Florence, you have to try it. Like, yes. Last time, my coins falling down. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Держи.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Okay, I'll just try. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay, don't worry. Damn, I'll get like next time.
This is Piazza della Signoria.
Up.
It's the same, eh?
Yes. Again.
People, and I understand why.
As far as I understand, this copy of the statue of David is the work of this famous Italian sculptor of the High Renaissance Michelangelo, and that the original statue is carved from single piece of marble, and the statue itself weighs 6 tons. The original is in this museum, where unfortunately we couldn't go. It is the oldest bridge in the city, built in 1345 by the architect Nuri di Fionavarti and has preserved its original appearance to this day. It was originally a butcher's shop, today it houses a jeweler stores. In conclusion, I can say that I did not expect this from Florence, and I like this city very much. I love Italy in general, for tourism, not for life. Here I feel some sort of measuredness, no rush, such a vibe in Italy. I want to visit Florence again, but next time visit in the middle of the day and visit the museum where I can see the original statues and works of Leonardo da Vinci. Also, it's great when you have friends like Alice. Thanks to her for friendly atmosphere, warm welcome and showing us such a beautiful city like Florence. Guys, Vinci finally chose his tattoo. Do you like the result? Write in the comments.